Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the Poco X3, which was launched by Poco a month ago in the global market and recently launched here in India. The first flash sale went live on Flipkart on 29th of September and I could successfully grab this for my friend. So thanks to Dharan for lending me this unit for this unboxing and review purpose. Without him this video couldn't be possible. Well, this is the packaging I received from Flipkart. Let me break the box and dive you through it. The variant I have with me is a 6GB RAM and 64GB storage. Well, this is the retail packaging I received from Flipkart. As soon as we open the box, we find an accessory box in which we find a TPU case, SIM ejector pin and some paperwork. After that we find the phone itself. Let me pull it out. As soon as I picked the phone, I felt it heavier. Let's go deeper inside. We find a 33-watt fast charger and a USB type A to type C cable. Let me put everything aside and boot this for the first time and see you on the home screen. Let's move on to the aesthetics. This comes with a 6.67 inches full HD display with a punch hole to accommodate the front facing camera, and it has very minimal bezels all around. The one with me is in cobalt blue color. The color is very vibrant and funky. The back appears to be made out of glass, but in reality it's made out of plastic. Coming to the ports, it still retains the 3.5mm audio jack, which is abnormal in the current trend, but I think it's a right choice from users' perception. It has USB Type-C port for data transfer and charging, a speaker grill and a microphone. On the top, we find an IR blaster and a secondary microphone. Towards the right, we have a power button which doubles as fingerprint scanner and volume rocker. Towards the left, we have a hybrid SIM tray. As soon as we flip the phone, we notice a huge camera bump in the rear. Coming to the CPU and GPU, under the hood it comes with Snapdragon 732G processor, which is an octa-core processor coupled with Adreno 618 GPU. This phone runs on Android 10 out of the box, a custom skin called MIUI 12. Coming to the display is huge, 6.67 inches with a punch hole, but it is an IPS panel with 120Hz refresh rate. And Poco is claiming to have touch sampling rate of 240Hz. The display is bright enough and is pleasant to look at. Coming to the audio department, it has dual stereo speakers. One is the main speaker itself and the earpiece acts as secondary speaker.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Moving to the camera, it has a quad camera setup on the rear and a single punch hole front facing camera. The camera bump is huge. On the rear, we find quad camera setup. The primary camera is the 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor. The ultra wide lens comes with 15 megapixels. It also comes with a depth sensor of 2 megapixels for portrait shots. The macro lens is also 2 megapixels. It has a 20 megapixel front facing camera. Within the box, they are providing a 33-watt fast charger with a USB A to USB Type-C cable. The cable is almost 1 meter long. This phone has massive 6000 mAh battery, so I guess it easily lasts 1.5 to 2 days. Overall, it's a fully packed phone at a reasonably great price, but getting hands on it is a hit or miss as it goes on flash sales. Let me use this for a while and I will be back with a full review, so do subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already to get you notified when I post the full review. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. If you would like to encourage my efforts, please do like and subscribe to the channel. This is Aditya signing off.